Everyone, welcome to another travel vlog, and this time Pattaya in Thailand. Just in the background you can see the Pattaya city sign, and one of the very famous tourist attractions in Thailand. So let's explore Pattaya. So guys, this is the Pattaya city here in Thailand. Boots and tourists, and that is the sign, the Pattaya city. And my friend just going to take the boat to Koh Larn Island in Pattaya. Very famous island here in Pattaya, Koh Larn Island. Really nice beaches and wonderful greenery there. Just going and take you there. He just in the boat for to Kolan Island from Pattaya.
It's so easy right now to tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. It's so easy to tell you, baby, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. We've had our ups and downs, that's for sure. I swear I never found something so pure. Right now I doubt if I could want you more. I don't say this enough, but I'll never let you go.
Hey guys, so we reached Kolan Island and now we'll be exploring this place. It is looking green and there are many tourists here in Kolan Island in Pattaya. Oh, this is the Kolan Island. We have very nice attractions here. Okay, starting the journey with this small bike. We got 300 baht today. Going to explore Kolan Island to this bike. Oh, just got this little beauty for 300 baht for rent. My friend just paid 300 baht. Yeah. सामान रखने की भी जगह है इसमें. So now on the bike and doing some. See that? So this is Kolan Island. Beach. Now going to the beach in the Kolan Island. Its name is Nuan Beach. Very, very famous and nice beach. Okay. Hey, in the background you can see the very nice beach and have some scene here and Kolan Island, Pattaya. So we'll be checking the water. If that is not very cold, then I will swim in this water. Yes, it's clean water and really nice beach here in Pattaya. So my friend and travel partner Mr. Shahid, how are you feeling here?
I am feeling nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah,
Why?
because this is my first time on this beach. So I watching people in different space, different.
Do you like
things.
this beach?
Yeah, I like it, but after
Are you going
Minutes I will give
to?
you my
Are
final
you
description.
going inside the water?
Yeah, I will go.
Oh, thank you. So I am also going.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you. Everyone just riding the bike in Kolan Island, in Pattaya city. थोड़ा सा ऊपर करेगा तो पिछले को ना वो भी आ जाएगा. ये कर भाई यहाँ ऐसे वो पीछे वो. So really enjoying the bike, riding the bike in Kolan Island, Pattaya. Everything here. Nice. Hey guys, another beautiful beach at Kolan Island in Pattaya. This is another nice beach here you can see, and I'm really enjoying. If you're gonna visiting Pattaya, then do come to Kolan Island and explore different beaches. And that's it. Guys, so finally I am at Bangkok Airport, Don Mueang International Airport, and I hope you've enjoyed the
Pattaya vlog. And if you like that, then give it a thumb. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming destinations and for upcoming tours. So I will be trying to make more videos, posting on YouTube. And thank you for watching. Bye bye till next destination.